All right, in today's video, we're gonna be talking about possibly my my favorite headphones and why I had to return them. Cue sad face. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Gene, I'm JAXTWIN, and on this channel we talk tech. In today's video, I wanted to talk a little bit about the AirPod Pro Maxes, those $500 or almost $600 headphones that Apple offers right now. So as always, I decided to pick up some new products and test them out, and I was actually very curious about this product since it came out. I finally had the funds to be able to afford it, so I decided to buy it. Over the course of 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, I tried these headphones out day in and day out, and I loved them. These are probably the best headphones that I've ever tried. Now, barring the price, I was actually taken by the build quality of the headphones. The headphones themselves, that brushed metal feel at the top, around the top of the actual headphones, the actual ear cups that you put your ears on were surprisingly high quality. Now, the rest of the headphones were actually very well made. I decided to go with the blue color because, I thought the blue would be a great color to buy. I know a lot of people had the black one and the white one. I just wanted to, use something and see something in my favorite color. So I decided to buy it, and like I said, I was ridiculously impressed by how comfortable the headphones are. Obviously I talked about the build quality. The build quality was exceptional. Right out of the box, it did come with the charger, surprisingly. It did come with the actual cable, which is great, and obviously some manuals on how to use it. What I wasn't expecting is the actual quality of the headphones. I heard, I saw a couple videos about it already, and I heard all these people and all these other YouTubers say that this is by far one of the best sounding headphones that are out there. So I have to say that they're not lying. This is probably the crispiest headphones that I've ever used. Now, the function that a lot of people will go out and buy them for is this transparency mode. So, and the transparency mode is the ability to kind of block out unwanted sounds. Now, the headphones actually offer a very simple way of doing this by simply clicking the button at the top of the headphones to cancel the sound out. Now, alternatively, if you want to be able to listen to background noise, you're welcome to actually click the sound on the top. And for me, I thought for me that was insanely great. The other thing about the headphones that I actually liked is the battery life. That's actually something that I didn't see a lot of people talk about. I literally charged these headphones probably for a full day, and I came back after a gym session and I had like 93% still left. From 100 to 93% over the course of a day, which I thought was amazing. Now, again, when compared to some of the other offerings by Apple, such as the AirPod Pros and the regular AirPods, both the version 1s and the version 2s, I thought they were exceptional. And it was something that I wasn't actually expecting, especially from headphones that big. One of the other things that I really wanted to test out in the headphones was how it would hold up in different scenarios. I decided to take them out to a place that I would use the headphones 9 out of 10 times. So I decided to take them to the gym. And by far, I have to say that these headphones in the gym were amazing. I never thought in a million years that I would love over-the-ear headphones for the gym. I was able to run in them, I was able to squat in them, I was able to bench press in them, I was able to do like a ton of other exercises with them. And granted, the actual suction cups themselves do get a little sweaty, but they took a beating very well. I do see over time, maybe in about a year or two, that replacing those ear cups would be something that you would have to do, especially if you use them for the gym or if you use them for very strenuous activity. But overall, man, I was so impressed by them that returning them to the Apple Store 2 days ago was very hard. There's not too many products that I buy that I feel like instant regret returning them, and the AirPod Pros were instant regret. The only con I would say with these headphones is the price. They're just insanely overpriced. Now, one of the questions that I'm probably going to get out of this video is, are they worth it? And my answer is going to be yes. I absolutely think that they're worth $550. Not because I have money to throw around, but they actually fit everything that I wanted to do and everything I do plan to do with them. So that's the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Gene, I'm JAXTWIN. On this channel, we talk tech. I really appreciate it. It looks like we're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, I can't say enough about that, man. I really appreciate you guys. And thank you so much for watching. And until my next video, peace.